Ride the breeze, oh pelicans bold, above the waters blue and cold. Wings like sails in the wind unfurled, masters of the skies, watchers of the world. Upon the wharf where fishermen meet, the pelicans gather in hopes to greet the boats that come with the catch of the day, waiting for scraps thrown their way. With beaks like nets, wide and deep, they scoop the fish from the watery keep. A dance of hunters so sleek, so grand, nature's bounty brought to land. The sun ascends its morning rise, casting gold across the skies. Pelicans bask in the warm sunrise, silhouetted against the horizon's guise.
From thermal currents they take their flight, soaring, swooping with delight. Over the coastline's rugged face, in graceful arcs they trace.
By afternoon, the day well worn, upon the currents they are borne. Back to the docks their evening perch, in stately lines upon the church. As shadows lengthen, the sun sinks low on waters that shimmer with evening's glow. The pelican's day nears its end, in twilight's calm they descend. When fishermen's boats pull into bay, pelicans watch as nets sway, eager for the feast that follows the day's labor. The ocean swallows under stars that light the night. Pelicans rest till morning's light, dreaming of flights in the cool sea air, where fish abound in waters fair. Seasons turn and tourists come to watch these birds under the sun. Mallaoota's feathered pride, in whom coastal spirits abide. Legends told of pelicans old, of treasure hidden and pirates bold. Yet richer still are the tales we weave of pelicans dancing on the ocean's deep. So listen well to the pelicans' call by the water's edge as evening falls. For in their song, if you know how to hear, lies the heart of the coast, wild and dear. Ride the breeze, oh pelicans bold, above the waters now dark and cold. With wings like shadows as night unfurls, masters of the skies, watchers of new worlds. Upon the wharf where day fades away, the pelicans linger as stars start to sway. The boats now silent with the night's soft play, dreaming of scraps that come with the day. With beaks like moons, pale and deep, they guard their fish in the watery keep. A dance of shadows so quiet, so grand, and nature's bounty safe in their land.